Hi, this is Brad with Copper Creek Cuts, a lawn care company in Northeast Florida. This is a Sunday afternoon here in middle of July, so you'll have to excuse the lack of company attire, but this is on my personal residence. This tree, it started growing outside our bedroom as a sapling. The seed came from somewhere and it's way too close to the house, but you know, we've let it grow over time and we've got a sentimental attachment to it. So basically my compromise with my wife, instead of removing it, is that anything that grows towards the house, I'll go ahead and cut off. I haven't done that in the last few years. So we are going to be using the Echo Pro attachment system with the pole saw and some extensions and a steel forestry helmet to do that safely. We're gonna go ahead and clean up everything so that we don't have anything growing towards the house. We are coming into hurricane season, so I mean, if something's strong enough to push this tree over, we're done for anyways because of how close it is. But at least I can feel a little bit better and in my mind, make myself feel a little bit safer that I'm trimming at least what's real close to and touching the house. So ideally the tree would be gone, but that's not gonna happen just because, like I said, we're sentimentally attached to it. So silly how you can get attached to something like a tree, but oh well. Anyways, you're seeing some befores of it now, and we'll go ahead and get to work and show you what it looks like all cleaned up. It probably won't be pretty, because again, this isn't an aesthetic cut. This is a practical cut. We're doing this to get this stuff away from the house, right? So how it looks is not really important. Plus, the other thing is that most people aren't going to see it from this side, right? Everybody on the street over there is going to see the side that I'm not touching. So we'll be the only ones who see this butchered side, and that's from outside our window, and it's not really even going to look that bad. So anyways, that's what we're doing here. We'll go ahead and get started and show you what it looks like.